Hey everybody, Gary with Basecamp Trading. Just took a look at a bearish setup we had in gold this morning. Gold, this was the gold pit opening, and you can see we pushed down and left this big bottoming tail closed up here, and then another doji big bottoming tail, pushed down, big bottoming tail closed up here, and then we pushed up and we left this big topping tail right here, and the entire body of this bar was selling. So this was a really bearish shooting star, left the topping tail, and the sellers were in complete control of the bar. We had whole body was all selling. Next bar triggered this shooting star to the downside, little topping tail, and then the entire body of that bar was all selling as well. So a nice little push lower in gold off of a shooting star. And this is how we were trading that on the Unorenko chart. Our Unorenko chart right here on this fast line zero touch is where we were triggering the shooting star. This is where we left that topping tail and the whole body was all selling. Had that little topping tail on the next bar, pulled back. See, we had broken the cloud, made the pullback, made the wick out of the cloud with a fast line zero touch. Fast line is the fast line on MQ momentum. Pulled back near the zero line, so gave us a momentum reset. So we had plenty of room for momentum to move our trade to the downside. This move right here was good for 3 targets of $300 per contract. Got stopped out on our runner. This is not an entry. We don't have any kind of a momentum reset here. In fact, the slow line is still moving up right there. Did take an entry here. Actually got stopped out on the 5-bar rule for 4 tick per contract loss. Hey, not every trade is a winner. This was a valid setup. We had gotten a momentum reset. It wasn't a zero touch, but it was a momentum reset nonetheless. And it was a Trender Pro 2.0 wick off the 18 bar. Got stopped out. No big deal. Lost 4 ticks per contract on that. Not a big deal. Not every trade is a winner. Made the pullback. Made another reset right here. Got the wick off the 50. We were still working within the confines of a triggered shooting star. And then this made a nice push down into our target. Our target was 1676 on the downside. This was good for $900 per contract. Your entry was 1685.10, got filled at 1685. Push right down into our 1676 target. So that trade was good for potential up to $900 per contract. So not bad, $300 here, lost $80 here, trading 2 contracts, 4 ticks per contract on this one. It was a 4 tick loss. And then nice 90 tick run to the downside there. So nice move to the downside off a bearish shooting star in gold.